right from day one, we were very clear that as soon as the JPC is ready with their report on the Waqf board, so it will be submitted in the parliament. And today it's just been late. I think in the coming session, we'll be having a discussion in the parliament as well. Me and my party, Lok Janshakti Party Ramvilas, always had this concern that every stakeholder connected with the Waqf board should get a chance to represent themselves. And we made sure that the committee that was formed, JPC that was formed, every stakeholder should get an opportunity to put forward their concerns, their issues, their suggestions, their support, and that was done over the period of time. The committee travelled also across various states in the country, including my state, Bihar also. They came there, and there were different stakeholders who were represented in front of the committee. And I think after listening to everybody, committee has finally drafted its report, and that's been tabled in the House today. And I think in the coming days, after the recess, we'll have a discussion in the House as well, and then the final decision will be taken.
Delhi election results will be impact in other state elections, sir?
Of course, yes. I mean, and the next state is my state, it's Bihar only. And we are going with an extremely, on a high note, morally, we are very, very charged up with the kind of results that the NDA has seen in Delhi. After a long time, after a good long 27 years, NDA has managed to form a government back in Delhi. And I think with this high note, we are entering Bihar elections, and we'll see a repetition of the result that we saw in Delhi, the kind of result that we saw in Maharashtra, the kind of result that we saw in Haryana. That will be repeated in Bihar. Bihar, I think we are in a very, very strong alliance. The combination is a very winning combination right now of the five parties that we have. Majorly Janata Dal United and Bharatiya Janata Party and our party, Majhi ji's and Upendra Kushwahaji's party. So it's a very, very strong winning combination. I believe, and my belief comes from the fact that I've been traveling across my state as well, and all the NDA leaders been doing that. So I believe that with 225 plus seats, we'll be forming the government in Bihar this time.